I began my career representing some of the largest companies in the world, primarily financial institutions, but other merchants who had to comply with similar laws. And I decided to expand that practice into a broader area of business and commercial law. I was able to move that experience out into my home community, and because I'm in a smaller community, I was able to reduce my overhead so I could make that big firm expertise accessible to smaller businesses. I can add value to those businesses who normally can't afford a big firm lawyer, but because I'm able to do it at a lower rate, they're able to get that big firm expertise at a small firm rate.
There's a reason that attorneys exist, and there's a good reason that we should consult them for our legal needs, just as you'd have a qualified plumber put in your bathroom fixtures.
I have a long experience and background in business, commercial, and litigation for businesses. And I feel like that competence really helps clients. It eases their mind right away because they know that I'm capable of taking care of their problem.
I'm a business owner, which means that I'm busy. I need to develop a relationship with someone that I trust and someone that I can offload to. So Amy's all those things.
For me, with no experience regarding legal matters, it made the situation easy for me when I had a million other things to think about starting a new business. Her response rate was incredible, so whether I placed a phone call with her and left a voicemail, it was, immediate. It was an immediate response. Same with an email.
I felt comfortable and more at ease that she handled everything. I could sleep at night because it was in her hands.
My desire is to help clients advance their business goals while minimizing the legal risk. There are always going to be business risks in any deal, and that's okay. You have to take risks or you're not going to advance. But you should minimize the legal risks.
The value that I got out of it was pretty significant, so I'm sure I could have gone to another lawyer and paid twice as much and probably gotten less.
She simplified everything and said, this is really what this paragraph says, and this is what we're going to do. And we went through it all step by step and made it, just simplified it so you could understand it.
She cuts to the chase, and she asks the right questions, and she makes the right recommendations, and the result is a finished product that happens in a very short period of time.
One of my main goals in practicing law was to be able to give back, not only to my clients, but to the community as well. And I do that through sponsorships and things like that, but also pro bono work that I do for people who can't afford legal services.
She changed my whole opinion of that and perspective of working with a lawyer, and she's just very comfortable. And from that respect, if anybody's looking for a lawyer to work with, it's a no-brainer for me to recommend Amy.
I need someone who I can put the ball in their court and they can just take it and do it. So Amy took the ball and she ran with it and she got it done.
I set standards pretty high, and Amy's in that category. It was just a wonderful experience.